Google reviews are critical to your businesses. If you are that kind of person who are managing a lot of Google My Business profiles, you definitely know that there are an increasing number of fake reviews being posted onto your Google My Business listings. Hi there, this is Abdul Wajid. Welcome to my channel. If your Google My Business listing has received a 1-star rating from your so-called customer who left that fake review intentionally to harm your business, you can deal with it on some certain ways. In the first way, you can respond to that review in a very well thought out manner using professional and polite words. You can maybe ask them why did they leave such a review, or you might even go and tell them that they are not our customer, your name is not on our visitors book, or we haven't dealt with you in any kind of business activities. Or you can just say that you have left a wrong review, or you have unintentionally left a review on our page, and we are not having any business partnerships or business relation. So that is the first method with which you can respond to them. But almost always this isn't the best idea, because your business reviews will be read by a lot of people who will be your future customers, who are forming a decision based out of your reviews. In this case, a very well thought out professional response will be helpful. In another method, you can actually report that review to Google. So they will check whether that review violates some of their policies or not, and they will get back to you. But Google reviews are notoriously difficult to get it removed, and sometimes Google will just choose to keep it as it is and they won't delete the review. But in the past, if somebody leaves a undeserving 1-star review, we have to go to the Google My Business, and we have to navigate to the review section, and we have to click the 3 dots which is placed right to the reviews, and we have to choose flag as inappropriate, and they will show some of the policies that presumably violated by the reviewer. So those things were like Google will ask whether this review is off topic or is spam, or Google is asking whether it is conflict of interest, or whether that review have any kind of profanity, or whether that review is bullying or harassing the business, or is it discrimination or hate speech, or whether there is any personal information being shared, such as address or phone number in the review. But once you click one of these options, if I'm in this case I'm choosing off topic, I'm stating that this review is off topic, Google will show you a pop-up, and in that pop-up Google is confirming that you are reporting a policy violation to Google. It may take up to 3 days to process your request. And once you enter the submit button, they will send you an email to your registered email address, and you can receive it and you can refer to it. There is nothing much you can do if there is no way to know that whether your report is going through, or if that report is being validated, or it is being checked or not. You can't really know the status of your report.
Google silently launched a new tool to help you manage your reviews, and you can sign into this tool using your Google My Business email. Once you have signed in, you can select the business review, and once you are in, you can choose whether to check the status of the review you have reported previously, or you can report a new review for takedown. And once I click choose to report a new review for takedown, it will show us a table of chronologically ordered a list of reviews that we have historically got on our Google My Business listing, and here is the snippet of the review that the specific customer has wrote, and also the star rating they have given us, and also the date of posting of that review. And here is the option to see this specific review on Google Maps, and you can also report a problem from directly from here. I am assuming that this 5-star review from 2019 has got some issues, and I'm clicking report a problem on that is, and I am shown with 5 different options which are exactly the policies this review assumes to break, and I am assuming that this review is not relevant to this place. And once I click that, it shows me that this review has been reported.
So far you might think that there is no change to the previous process. If you think so, and then you would be wrong.
And if I come back here and go to the list of business, and I click my list again, or my business again, and this first option, like I can check the status of a review I reported previously from here. Once I'm in, I will, it's showing a review I have reported previously, and the status of the decision is still pending. So a decision is still pending. So if I click here and click on continue, it shows the total details of their decision and all, and you can see here that you will receive an email once a decision has been made, and also if after a decision is made on the initial report, the status of the review will change in this tab, and we can appeal once or to change their initial decision. And if that is also like the previous one, you don't have any more options to apply for a review again.
I hope this new tool from Google will be of great help to you. If you love my content, please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also watch few of my other videos which is related to digital marketing. This is Wajid signing off. Happy marketing!